Ah, what a great morning. Time to eat some breakfast. Pancakes, yummo. Yummo. Hey, there's a camp going on. Maybe we should go there. Yep, should go there. Get in the car. Hold on tight. Okay, we're at the school bus. Yeah. Well, hello there. Welcome to the school bus. Yeah? I'll be the driver. Here we go. Okay, we at the camp. Everybody off the bus. Ah, what a great fresh air. Great looking camp. Yeah, great fresh air. And these are your cabins. You have fun. Bye bye. So, my bed's there, and your bed's there. Great. Yeah. Okay, my friends, we'll be going on a national trail. National trail. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Hey, do you wanna follow the trail? Yeah. Oh, would I? Cool. Over here we have the waterfalls. Oh, the waterfalls. I better take a picture of that. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the cabins. Okay, we at the cabins. Get a good night's sleep. Good night, good night.